NOVSIGHT 9005-9006 LED bulbs. The NOVSIGHT 9005-9006 LED bulbs are a top-of-the-line product offered by the renowned brand NOVSIGHT. These bulbs are designed to provide an exceptional lighting experience for various automotive applications, particularly for the front position. One of the standout features of these LED bulbs is their impressive color rendition. With a cool white color temperature, they emit a bright and clear light that greatly enhances visibility on the road. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, these bulbs ensure optimal visibility, helping to improve safety and reduce the risk of accidents. The NOVSIGHT 9005-9006 LED bulbs operate at a voltage of 12 volts, which is a common electrical specification for most vehicles. This makes them compatible with a wide range of car models, allowing for easy installation and integration into existing systems. Additionally, the bulbs are built to last, promising a long lifespan and durability in various